Welcome to Riparian Racing, the bank holiday boat race special. Those of you who have seen the Extreme series may recognize this course. Today we have 7 racers, born and bred for glory. Speed in their sails, and bravery at their bow. Let's meet the contestants. Tug Speedboat! Notorious BOAG! Nautilus! Wavy Slider! Keel-e-sea! Floaty McBoatface! And Captain Sully! If you want to be in with a chance of naming this course, then follow the instructions on screen. Our contestants sitting in the docks waiting for the green light, and it's go! Nautilus slow to start, Tug Speedboat on the inside lane going in fast with Captain Sully and Floaty McBoatface hanging out in back. No Keel-e-sea, holding mid-drift. Oh, Nautilus going for an outside overtake. It looks like Wavy Slider's getting nudged into the undercut there. Nautilus out front, Keel-e-sea contesting for first place. Oh, it's Notorious BOAT. Looks like he's sneaking around Nautilus's crash. And it's Tug Speedboat, bringing it up to 4th, now in 5th, with Keel-e-sea in front. Floaty and Wavy contesting for that 3rd place. And it looks like Notorious may actually be in front here. And Keel-e-sea sliding. Oh, I don't believe it. Keel-e-sea sliding in front for 1st. And there it is. With Notorious BOAT in 2nd. Wavy Slider in 3rd. Fantastic. Wow. Keel-e-sea secures the first ever boat race victory. Poor old Nautilus, well, maybe his weight was too much to carry. Here you have your champion, Keel-e-sea, mother of boats.